Hi students, today we'll see how to find cube and cube root of the numbers. For that, first of all, I will make the place to solve the examples. Okay, maybe you have solved the example in your notebook. These examples I said to you, you have to solve the examples. You have to find the cube and cube root from 1 to 50 in your notebook. Now we'll see some more examples how to find cube of the positive number as well as the negative number. Okay, so first of all we'll find the cube of negative 4. How to find? Look here, you have to write negative 4 into negative 4. That we have seen the cube of 4 is 64. Yes, here look, negative negative, it will become positive again, third time negative, so your answer will contain negative sign. Okay, one more example we'll see here, that is we'll find the cube of 17. It is equal to, I will write here, how many times we have to multiply 17? 17 into 17 into 17. Do you know the square of 17? It is 289. Multiply it by 17. Then what will you get here? What is the multiplication of 289 into 17? It is 4913. Okay, one more example we will see here. So I will take here the number negative 12 cube. So how to solve? Look here, 12 into 12 into 12. Sorry, here I remain to write the negative sign. I will show here the negative sign by another color. So here minus minus minus, 3 times minus, so minus. If you notes, I will write this side answer and we will solve here the question. Look, negative 12 into negative 12, that is positive 144. We have to multiply it by negative 12. So your answer sign is negative. Now what is the answer? 144 multiplied by negative 12, the answer is negative 1728. Like this way you have to solve the examples. Okay, now we will make again place to solve some more examples. Okay, so now I will take the examples of fraction form, means which we are writing in the form of numerator and denominator. Okay, so I will take the example here. You have to find the cube of negative 3 upon 5 bracket cube. They will give, just find the cube of negative 3 upon 5. Now next step, what will you write? Negative 3 upon 5 multiplied by again negative 3 upon 5 multiplied by negative 3 upon 5 is equal to. Now, do you know the cube of 3? Yes, it is 27. And here negative negative positive, again negative means which sign will be there? Negative. So middle only we will give this sign, negative 27 upon, what is the cube of 5? 125. So this answer is negative 27 upon 125. Okay, one more example we will see of fraction. I will write here number that is 7 upon 8 bracket cube. Here 7 upon 8 multiplied by 7 upon 8 multiplied by 7 upon 8. All three numbers are positive, so your answer, it will contain positive sign only. Now what is the cube of 7? It is 343, and cube of 8 is 512. Like this, when not comes, then 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343, 8 eights are 64, 64 eights are 512. Like this way you have to solve the examples. Now we'll see the examples of decimal fractions. Okay, decimal fractions that you know, which contains 10, then 100, 1000 in its denominator place. The numbers which contains. So first of all, we will see the number, that is, look here, I will take the number as 0. Okay, 5 bracket cube. How to write? 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. Now downside I will write answer. Okay, here look, do you know the cube of 5? It is 125. So this number we have to write first. Now look here, after point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. So where point will come? 1, 2, 3. Point. And here front side 0. And positive sign is there for 0.5. That's why it will also contain positive. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now one more example I will take here. That is, another color I will use. 0.02 bracket cube. Now see here, how many times we have to write these? 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.02. Now look, do you know the cube of 2? It is 8. Now we'll consider the numbers after point. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look, these two and these two, 6. So here 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now where point will come? Here point, and then we will write 0. Okay. Again look, 0.02, 3 times we have to multiply. What is the cube of 2? It is 8. After point, how many numbers are there? Here 2, 2, 2 means 6. So while giving the point, we have to considering from the last number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After 6 point will come. One more example we will see for your understanding. Okay. So now I will take the example here, that is, I will take negative now, but in the decimal form only we will see. Okay. So I will write here the example. Let me clean this place, means we can do the examples. Now I will take here negative 0.06. Okay. Now how to write? It's equal to negative 0.06 into again bracket cube. We are finding the cube. So bracket cube I had written here 0.06 into negative 0.06. Now it's equal to. Do you know the cube of 6? Yes, it is 216. That we will write first. Now look here after point. These two numbers are these two and these two. So total 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then what will come? Point and then 0. Okay. And which sign will be there for this example? Here negative is. So example will contain negative sign. Negative 0.000216. Okay, that is the answer of your question. Now one more example we will see, that is we will find the cube of okay, another type. That type is fraction only. This we had seen the decimal fraction examples. Now we will see the examples. These are of, we will take the example as we will find the cube of okay 1.1 bracket cube. How to solve? 1.1 multiplied by 1.1 multiplied by 1.1. Do you know the square of 11? Yes, it is 121. So here look, after point, two numbers are there. So 1.21 into 1.1 is equal to, multiply this, you will get the answer as 1331. Okay, now here 1, 2 and 3. Look, this 1 and these two numbers are after point. So we will give the point from unit place to, means which side to? Right side to left. So 1, 2 and 3. So where will you give the point? 1.331. Okay. Like this way, you have to find the cubes of the numbers. Now we will see how to find the cube root. Okay. So for that again same thing, I have to make the place. Keep in mind, the cube of positive number is positive and the cube of negative number is always negative. We'll see how to find the cube root of the number. Okay, I will take the example here. That is, you have to find the cube root of 8 upon 125 is equal to. Now look how to solve this example. Do you know 8 is the cube of which number? 8 is the cube of 2. So here factors of 8 you can write as 2 into 2 into 2, and 125 is the cube of 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to, here cube you have to write. Now these 3 times cube root we are finding, so these numbers will come from this cube sign, 2 upon 5. Okay, suppose This will contain negative sign, then your answer will come negative. Now one more example we will see how to find the cube root of the number. So I will take another example. We will see how to find the cube root. Suppose they will give the number, another number, that we will take the number as, we want to find the cube root of, okay, I will take the number here, cube root of 729. Suppose I don't know any method, or I don't know it is the cube of which number. That time, look, you know the vertical method. So here write 729. Find the factors. 729, it is divisible by 3. So I will write here 3. 3, divide this number and write the answer here. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 1 carry 3 4s are 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, again this number is divisible by 3. Now look here, 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Now again this number is divisible by 3. 27. Again this number is divisible by 3. 9. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 3 and here will come 1. Okay. Now how to write these numbers? Here look, you can see here this side how many numbers are there? 3 3 3 3 3 and 3. How many times 3 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here you can write this as 1 2 3 4 5 times 3 and 6 times 3. Okay. Now next step, we want to find cube root. So you have to make the group of 3 numbers. So here this is first group and this one second group. Now it's equal to, one time just only we have to write this number. 3 times one group and 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. So your answer is cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Understand this? This method you have to use to solve the examples from practice set 3.3. Okay, so use this method. Look here, the box they given in your book. Use your brain power, that is reduced. No need to see this box. So solve practice set in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.